G'day, Dan from EBG. We're out here on site with the finished subfloor. I've got Benny, the lead carpenter here. He's going to tell us how this has gone together. For this particular project, we've had Benny on site with one apprentice. Between the pair of them, they've put this whole thing together.
One of the key aspects of Spantec is the level of detail in the plans. And this being the first time we've installed one of their systems, we haven't had to make one call back to Spantec for any help.
Benny, have you got any tips you can share with us that's made this process a bit easier for you?
Yeah, I do, I reckon. I started putting the first easy pier locked off at the datum. And then after that, I just constructed probably about half of the subfloor, just loose on top of the easy piers, and then I locked off all the easy piers once I had everything in place. Another key benefit to the system is the fact that everything's very lightweight, so it made it a breeze for Josh and I to install. And also the fact that I was able to go back through and fine tune all the heights with the adjustable easy piers. The brackets provided really work well considering the different angles of this house that we've had to work with. Another thing I found was that for the 7.5mm gap between the bearers and the joists, carpenter's pencil is perfect.
It's been great using Spantec for the first time. We've really enjoyed it. There's a few things we've picked up along the way and I can't wait to use it again.